This year, SICK USA turns 50. And over those 5 decades, one thing has been consistent. We show up where it matters. SICK has never been part of just one industry. We've grown alongside the industries that keep the world moving. Today, our sensor solutions support customers across a range of both manufacturing and logistics strategic industries and sub-industries, including automotive and tire, consumer goods and packaging, electronics and semiconductor, logistics and material handling, machines and materials, and outdoor automation. And we don't just show up one way. We deliver serial products, systems, software, and services globally. Different industries, different challenges, one partner. Innovation has always been part of how SICK grows. It started with early breakthroughs in safety and sensing, and continues today in the intelligent sensing innovations we deliver, bringing hardware, software, services together to solve real problems in real environments. As those industries evolved, so did our reach. In 2001, acquisitions in logistics automation opened doors into retail, material handling, courier express parcel applications, instantly expanding our footprint. By 2006, reorganizing into factory, logistics, and process automation allowed us to support customers more comprehensively. And continuous innovation, like advanced safety systems, safe HDDM technology, and the world's first rated safety scanner, helped carry SICK into new environments, new challenges, and new industries. On the show floor, if you walked into Modex, ProMat, IBTTA, Pack Expo, Automate, FabTech, or hundreds of other shows over the years, SICK was there. More than 700 shows, countless demonstrations, and even more conversations. Because trade shows aren't just where we exhibit, they're where we listen, where we learn, and where real customer challenges turn into solutions. And behind every conversation, every booth, and every breakthrough are the people who make SICK what it is today.
My name is Lonnie Vandenheuvel. I am Senior Director of Local Sales. So literally my first experience with SICK was at a trade show called IMTS. It was a pretty simple booth. It was just a flat back wall covered in what you would liken to Berber carpet with simple trade show display panels hanging on the back wall. Yeah, our displays in those early times were pretty simple. The big difference in trade show booths of the past and present is that in the past, our displays were showing products not necessarily in their application. Live products just detecting random objects. Today, our trade show booths are much better in that they show the products working in the actual application. 50 years ago, even 30 or 20 years ago, sensors and automation were simple sensors with discrete outputs connected to PLCs contained within the machine for machine operation only. Automation in automotive assembly, packaging equipment, and textile manufacturing was followed by automation in distribution warehousing in the 80s and 90s, which skyrocketed with the e-commerce boom in the early 2000s. Much to the credit of SICK in the US, we invested heavily in e-commerce, retail, and parcel segments, which have become a focus in the SICK global business strategy. Today we talk about sensors that stream massive amounts of data from the machine level to the cloud that can be accessed from anywhere and used in analytics to improve quality, reduce downtime, drive efficiency, and so many other things. It's incredible to see how our simple sensors have turned into smart solutions over the past 50 years, and I'm excited to see what the future holds.